Staying hydrated and staying visible during outdoor activities or emergencies are both important yet often overlooked needs. Introducing the Vork's Hex Glow Bottle, a revolutionary sports bottle that goes beyond just hydration. It doubles as a portable lantern and detachable spotlight, making it ideal for cycling, hiking, camping, and everyday use. With a rechargeable battery, USB charging, and multiple light modes such as soothing, pulse, strobe, and safety light, this bottle ensures you stay visible in any situation. Its versatile design fits into any bicycle bottle holder, offering convenience and practicality. The Hex Glow's combination of functionality, durability, and innovative features makes it a must-have for active individuals on the go. Enjoying ice cream on the go without it melting can be a challenge during outdoor activities. Meet the Ice Cream Canteen, the world's first double-walled, vacuum-insulated container specifically designed to keep your pint of ice cream cold for hours. Whether you're at the beach, on a hike, or at a party, you can now take your favorite frozen treat anywhere without the mess. Simply place your pint into the canteen, and the innovative design keeps it cold while preventing your hands from freezing. With its watertight seal and compact size, it's perfect for outdoor adventures, parties, and road trips. The Ice Cream Canteen makes enjoying ice cream wherever you are a delightful experience. Staying connected and entertained while on the move, especially during outdoor activities, requires the right gear. Introducing the 52 Mountable Speaker, a portable Bluetooth speaker designed for cyclists and outdoor enthusiasts. Combining sleek design with functionality, it easily mounts on bike handlebars or backpack straps. Its large volume control knob and track control buttons allow effortless operation, even with gloves on. The speaker is water and dust resistant, making it perfect for all weather conditions. A built-in FM radio and hands-free calling ensure a smooth experience. With up to 7 hours of playtime, the 52 speaker elevates your outdoor adventures with clear, crisp sound, navigation support, and unmatched convenience. Outdoor cooking requires versatility and convenience, especially when grilling, frying, or stewing your favorite dishes. Introducing the Whizzamore Multifunction Tabletop Grill, the ultimate portable grill, designed for grilling, pan frying, braising, and stewing. It's pre-assembled and equipped with a wooden spatula and BBQ grill moving lifter, making it easy to use right out of the box. This grill uses solid alcohol burning and features 3 different fire modes with a rack, offering a strong fire with minimal smoke. The design includes an air inlet for quick dissipation, ensuring effective heat distribution. It's easy to clean and perfect for outdoor BBQs. Compact and stick-proof, the Whizzamore grill provides a safe, enjoyable cooking experience anywhere. When comfort and portability are essential for relaxation, a simple yet effective chair is a must. Meet the Liano chair, the perfect solution for those who value comfort, simplicity, and portability. Weighing less than an iPad Air and smaller than a ukulele, this lightweight and compact chair can be taken anywhere. Its handcrafted wooden frame is strong and durable, while the fabrics come in vibrant summer colors, adding both style and comfort. The chair is stable on any surface, although care should be taken on very smooth ones. Easy to use and portable, the Liano chair is ideal for outdoor activities, ensuring a relaxing experience wherever you go.